Okay, my friends, good morning again. We are in this event, One Word Together at Home, sharing knowledge. So prepared this presentation to you, and especially to global citizen organizations and to Michelle and Barack Obama Foundation. So yes, let's start. Here I am here in Portugal. I was a student here last year's the Universidade do Porto, University of Porto. Because I'm here and here in Portugal, I am a refugee. Because I'm very interested about these issues, global citizens, and I'm observing the advances around the world about the citizenship rights, and of course about special populations, special groups, women and children and minors, children and teenagers. So I will share with you the main ideas I have, and after I would like to know your questions if you desire to do questions to me. Well, these are my previous works in Brazil. Okay, it's a lot of work. I am a little baby, almost 50 years old. So I worked a lot these years, and I produced many articles. I did master and doctorate in nursing, health area. And I continue my studies here in Portugal, in this new area, forensic science. In fact, I started in this area 10 years ago, when I decided to be a nurse at Court of Justice in São Paulo, Brazil. So I started to learn more about this interface, healthcare and judicial system. My main activities in Brazil were about war, to be a nurse, occupational nurse, but I was inside this universe, of the Court of Justice universe, in São Paulo, in Brazil, and I learned a lot about this area, and I became an advocacy. Civil servant advocacy, because the rights of minors and children in Brazil. And yes, we had a great victory when was approved a law 20 recent years ago, to protect the witnesses, children and teenagers, minors in Brazil, and vulnerable persons have the right now to a special testimony, to be especially treated at courts. This is a federal law. I was one advocate in Brazil, and I'm very proud of this. Now this law needs to be implemented, but in fact it was a great advance to recognize you need a special treatment when you are talking about children and teenagers at court. Okay, even they are victims or they are witnesses other crimes, other events. They need special treatment, and this law is similar to other laws and in the world, especially in United States and Europe. And one important partner to the approval of this law was Queen Sylvia of Sweden. Queen Sylvia of Sweden has an international foundation, childhood foundation, to protect victims of crimes, especially sexual crimes, but in Sweden, Queen Sylvia is very important to protect all children, and she does an entire royal family, Swedish royal family, work in this area, children protection. So thank you so much, Queen Sylvia. She is a part of Brazil too, because she lived a time in Brazil and she speaks